Read reviews that most people are talking about Boean Bluetooth headphones, wireless earbuds. The features by video introduce the latest products YouTube channel would like to recommend are as follows. Flexible ear hook design for sport. Comfort and secure fit with lightweight and ergonomic design, super stability with ear hook, in-ear fitting tips and headband, great for running, jogging, hiking, biking, gym. Working out outdoor or home. Powerful bass stereo sound. Upgraded Bluetooth earbuds with 11mm dynamic drivers and clear calls technology. Our earbuds deliver superior sound quality, powerful bass, and crystal clear phone calls. Enjoy your music and conversations with unmatched clarity. Up to 16 hours playtime. With an improved polymer lithium battery, Boean sports headphones offer up to 16 hours of playtime. Enjoy a superior audio experience with extended endurance, allowing you to immerse yourself in your favorite music or engage in important conversations without interruption. One step in auto pair. Running headphones equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, easy to connect to your electronic device such as iOS, Android, Windows equipment. And 1 second auto pair to your device next time. IPX7 waterproof. With ergonomic design and silicone ear hooks, wireless headphones secure stay on your ears, feel great to wear and will never fall out. Upgraded waterproof rating, 100% prevents ordinary splashing water and rain. This video create by video introduce the latest products YouTube channel. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.